So Trev,
Yep.
when we do these videos of these little models, I do get comments, people saying, you know, you guys are experts, you've flown all the time and you're just demonstrating something, no wonder it looks easy to fly.
Yep,
but we're doing this video and we've got Big Ollie here. We've got Little Ollie and Big Ollie, but this is Big Ollie. And Big Ollie has never flown an RC plane before.
No.
And this is totally unrehearsed.
Yeah.
So this would be truth in the pudding, and this has got stability built in it. So he's never flown a plane before, so hopefully we're going to see if he can keep it up in the air.
Yeah.
I'm going to get him up to a safe height.
Yeah.
And just let him get a feel for it. And if Ollie's any good in a natural, he should be able to keep it up in one piece.
Yeah.
Yeah, should we put it to the...
No pressure.
Yeah, we'll put it to the test.
Yeah.
So we'll see, but you can hear the gyro doing its job, so
yeah.
Good luck, Ollie.
Yeah,
good luck, Ollie.
What I'll do then, if you stand here,
Yeah.
I'm going to take off and then I'll come and stand to your left, okay?
good.
I'll do a handlock. So we get it a bit higher.
Can you shout out if you're giving him the control? Because I'm focusing on the plane, obviously.
So when you turn, you are going to have to pull back when you turn. So there you go, you've got control then. So, okay, turn to the right. See if you can fly down the length of the runway. Alright, level it out a bit. See if you can find a straight line. Now turn it right again towards us. Yeah. Try turning the other way if you want. You want to turn left, see if you can turn it left.
Is it like a boundary or something?
No, it can go to lose sight of it. So, yeah.
Big Ollie doing that all by himself.
Yeah, so see if you can fly it back towards us. So keep it going round. If you push down on the stick, try and get rid of some of that height so Dom can get it in camera. Because it's a dot. Yeah, keep it going down. You can see the gyros really helping.
Yeah,
Is that
it
pull
does.
down?
Oh, what's that, sorry? Yeah.
Yeah, right, so you can fly it towards us and turn left. Can you get that on the camera, Dom?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I got good zoom on this,
Okay.
fortunately.
How you finding it then?
But there's no harm, he's like 10 mistakes high.
So the steering rates are really dialed down. If
Yeah.
anything, it could do a bit more control, a bit more on there. What I can do, I can up the rates to see how you get on.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay. If it's too much, just let me know. But it should be more sensitive on the rudder now. Yeah, is that? So see if you can keep it a bit closer to us.
Yeah.
I reckon he should have a go at landing it, Dom. Do you reckon?
I absolutely think he should, yes.
You're going to be landing this. Not now. When you feel like your brain's frazzled, you're going to be doing your best.
We can always land and take off again.
Yeah?
Can we take off while you're up?
Yeah.
Why don't you let him land first?
Oh, is that okay? We'll do a quick landing?
Yeah.
So what you can do, shut the power down. And then,
Completely.
And come towards us, Ollie.
So no power at all, just let it drop down.
Yeah.
Just keep it level basically.
Yeah.
Want to keep a little, that's perfect. Keep it going, keep it going. And just flare.
Hey!
In one piece.
Didn't that look a lot further away?
Well done.
Thanks.
There you go.
Yep,
First flight.
That
Go and
wasn't as scary
recover
as I
it
thought it would
quick,
be.
No, it isn't, is it? No, you were nervous when you started, but you got confidence straight away.
Yeah, I think when he turned the steering up a little bit, it was a little bit less like, oh, it's not going to go, you know. So, yeah, it was
Well
really
done.
good. Thank you.
Well done. I think that proves that little things like this are, you know, can really teach you a lot about flying. And I mean, you didn't. It was, you know, landed on its wheels and flipped over, but there's no damage,
That
right?
was actually a good landing. It seemed to glide really nicely. So
Yeah.
that just goes to say then, Ollie.
Yeah.
There you go.
Could be the start of an expensive hobby.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
So that's the A505J3 from our friends at Bangor. The link's in the video description and the pinned comment. Well done, Ollie.
Thank you, appreciate that.
Cheers, Trev.
Adios.
Don't start that.